If you're using your personal checking account for your business or thinking about starting a business, this video could save you time, money, and headaches during tax season. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Joe, a licensed certified public accountant with over 15 years experience in corporate and public accounting. I have an extensive background in accounting, audit, and taxes, and I'm all about helping you take control of your money by living smarter. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on all notifications. And check out the blog site where we post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Today's topic is one that many new business owners overlook, and that's why your business needs a separate business banking account. Let's get into it. Let's start our conversation by defining what is a business bank account. A business bank account is simply a business account opened under your business's name rather than your personal name. This account is used exclusively for business income and expenses. That means customers' payments come into the business account and business expenses are paid from this account. Sounds simple, right? Yet, many new business owners start by mixing personal and business transactions together. While it may seem convenient, it creates problems that often become larger as the business grows. Reason number one to keep your business account separate from your personal account is it helps to keep you organized. The number one reason to have a business bank account is organization. Imagine trying to sort through hundreds of transactions at tax time. Some are grocery purchases, some are utility bills, and others are business expenses. That process becomes frustrating very quickly. When all business activity runs through one account, every transaction has a purpose and is much easier to identify. Good organization saves time. Good, Being good at organizing saves time and reduces mistakes. It helps to really track your business so you can really see where you're growing and if you're not growing, and where maybe you need to make some better business decisions. By keeping them separated, you really are easier, it's better and it's easier for you to track those expenses. So come tax time, which we'll get into next, it'll make it a lot easier and simpler for your review as a business owner. Tax season is another reason why you want to keep your personal and business finances separated. As a CPA, I can tell you that tax season is much easier when business finances are separated. A business bank account creates a clear record of income and expenses throughout the year. Instead of searching through personal transactions, you can quickly identify deductible expenses and calculate business income. Better records often lead to more accurate tax returns and less stress. This is probably the number one mistake I see from new business owners is usually mixing your personal, and a lot of that stuff takes a lot of time to figure out what was truly personal and what should be a business expense. And it charges your tax professional is probably going to charge you more for that time because for in this business of taxes, time is money. So the quicker you can get done with a client, the quicker you can go on to another client, as harsh as that sounds. So the more organized you are, the much smoother your tax season will go. And you also won't make that mistake of wondering, hey, I think this was personal, but I think it was also business. I'm not 100% sure. So now you're missing out on deductions and you may be paying more in taxes than what you probably should. So keeping those things separated, it really makes tax season easier and it makes it more accurate for reporting your taxes, and you could better game plan for certain deductions that you may or may not be able to take, and also for your tax planning come the end of the year when you keep those things separated. Reason number three to keep your business separated from your personal is it looks more professional. Customers and clients often feel more comfortable paying a business versus paying an individual. When invoices, checks, and electronic payments show your business name, it creates credibility. A professional image can help attract customers and build trust. Small details matter in business. A business bank account is one of those details. Reason number four for having a business bank account is it helps to protect your assets. If you operate a LLC or a corporation, keeping business and personal finances separated is extremely important. One of the benefits of these business structures is liability protection. Mixing funds can create complications and weaken the separation between you and your business. Maintaining separate accounts helps to reinforce that distinction. Remember, the purpose of getting an LLC or a corporation is to protect your personal assets. By opening a separate business account in your business's name helps to reinforce that structure. It really helps to make sure that you're protecting your own personal assets if someone were to go after you, and to make sure that they only go after the business. But when you start to commingle your business and your personal, now you're opening yourself up to a can of worms and risk of them coming after your personal assets, because when they when it comes down to it, we really won't be able to tell what's personal and what is actual business. So keeping that line of separation with just something as simple as opening a business bank account will really help you with making sure that you're protecting your own personal assets. Reason number five is better cash flow management. Cash flow is the lifeblood of every business. When all business money stays in one account, you can quickly see how much money is coming in, how much money is going out, whether you can afford a new purchase, whether you need to save for taxes. This visibility helps you to make smarter financial decisions. And at the end of the day, if you can't make those smarter financial decisions, you'll always be reacting instead of being proactive within your business. Not only that, sales are good, but cash is always king. So if you're not having a good understanding of your cash flow because you using your personal to mix in with your business, you won't be able to get ahead of certain things within your business. So keeping just as simple as something as simple as a separate bank account can really help you to manage your cash flow within your business a lot better. Last but not least, the reason to keep your business separated from your personal finances is because of the financing benefits that you could gain within your business. If you ever apply for a business loan or a line of credit, lenders often want you to review your business banking history. A dedicated business account provides documentation that can support financing applications. Building that history can now help later when you need funding. But remember, we did a whole video and article about how to get your business finances together and your business's credit and applying for a line of credit. Usually the reason why most businesses get turned down for financing isn't because their business isn't good or because it's not a great business. It's usually because they lack the paperwork and an audit trail showing that they're serious about their business. So when you're mixing your personal with your business, it usually ends up not working out all the way, especially once you start growing and you want to start financing and getting different funding opportunities within your business. So, but being sure that keeping a separate business account just dedicated to your business, that'll really show the track history of your business, and those banks can make better decisions for your financing needs. So it doesn't just help to have it just because you want to have it. There's a bunch of benefits that we just went over on why you need to keep your business versus your personal separated in different bank accounts. So, what's our bottom line? A business bank account is one of the simplest and most valuable tools a business owner can have. It helps you to stay organized. Remember, being organized really helps you to identify the income, expenses, make better business decisions, and to make better planning decisions for your business. It prepares you for tax season. Remember, usually if you're going to a reputable tax preparer, they don't come cheap. They're either charging you by the hour or their fees are pretty expensive. So the more prepared you come in with your tax information to your tax professional, the less you'll be spending on that tax return. And it also helps with making sure that your tax return is accurate. So that way you're able to take the entitled deductions that you're entitled to. And there's no mix up of maybe I could take it, maybe I can't take it, because there's no commingling between your personal and your business. It helps you to understand your cash flow better. This is one of the most important things. Remember, sales is good, but cash is always king. If you can't understand how to manage your cash flow within your business because your stuff is too messy between what is personal and what is business, then how can you make better decisions such as making a big asset purchase or making sure you're able to cover payroll during a slow season? Being able to manage that cash flow is super important. And having a business bank account can help you to better understand your cash flow and know what's going on. It helps you look professional. So it builds that credibility with your clients, and also not just clients, but with your vendors, because now your business is, when you're sending out checks to vendors or people that you're working with, it has your business's name on that check. When customers are going to pay, they know that they're paying it into a business account and not into a personal account. So it helps with that as well, with building that reputation and building your professional look, and it also positions your business for growth. Remember, if you're looking to get financing, if you're looking to get funding for your business, having that bank account really reinforces that, hey, uh, here's everything that's there, and it shows the lender that, hey, this is what's going on in the business. Versus when you're commingling, you're a lot more riskier to the banks, and they're going to be a lot less uh, applicable in order to approve that application. So it's more than just having a business bank account versus your personal account. It really sets the standard and the foundation for your business and helps you to better understand and manage your business. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with another business owner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next week's video.